internet is a big part of all of our lives, but how do you correctly capitalize this key word that we're using every day? First up, the big spoiler is there isn't one correct answer for this. It depends on the situation. Let's dive into it to get some clarity. Internet used to always be capitalized, particularly when it was such a new thing. When we refer to the internet, we tend to mean a specific thing, the worldwide network of computers that hosts the web. In this case, the internet is a proper noun. So much like in any other case, when you use a person's name or the name of a city, these proper nouns are typically capitalized. And many people still capitalize internet. It's the main spelling given by the Merriam-Webster dictionary, for example. It's also the preferred style of the MLA handbook, Garner's modern English usage, and many tech companies and publications. So if you prefer to use capital I for internet, you're in good company. But what about if you prefer not to? Let's quickly look now at internet as a generic noun. As the internet became a part of our daily lives, many people stopped viewing it as a proper noun and saw it more as a generic noun without a capitalization. The Associated Press, the New York Times, the Chicago Manual of Style, and APA have all switched to using the lowercase I since 2016. Other companies and publications that use the generic noun internet without capital I include Apple, Google, BuzzFeed, The Guardian, and even the United States government. So, even though the internet is a unique thing, it doesn't necessarily have to be capitalized anymore. That said, you should still capitalize it at the beginning of a sentence just like you would any other word. And that's it. If you do have any other specific questions about capitalizing internet, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you love weekly writing tips to improve your communication. Your writing